Hi, this is Kishore, part 1 of China trip. Day 1, 15th April 2026, at the Canton Fair Phase 1 in Guangzhou, China. We reached early in the morning by 9 a.m. and the crowd on the first day was massive. After some time, we managed to enter and began exploring as per the planned map. We kicked off the experience with a fun selfie with the battery man, followed by exploring EV bikes and capturing moments with stunning 3D hologram digital displays.
On the corner where the shadows creep, whispers of the city, secrets they keep.
As we moved further, we discovered an incredible range of drones, from tiny compact ones to large advanced models, including live flying demonstrations. We also saw massive flying drones and even water floating drones, which were truly impressive. One of the most interesting highlights was a fire extinguisher drone, along with many other innovative types. And that's how we explored this tech packed fair all the way until lunchtime.
On the corner where the shadows creep, whispers of the city, secrets they keep. Underneath the street lamp steady burn. Life's a